Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the AI hugging TikTok trend video using this Wing app for free. So you can create the viral AI hugging video using this app. You can just click on this image to video options, and now you can import the photo here. For example, I'm going to use this photos right here. Now you can enter the prompt. Make the people in the photo hug each other. Like this. You can choose the durations. I'm going to go with 4 seconds. And now you can choose the video quality between quick and HD. Now I'm going to just use the quick one to make the results come out quick. Now you can just click on start, click on OK, and wait for the videos to finish generating, and let's Wing do its magic. You can see now it's still processing, and the estimated time is 1 minute and 25 seconds. Okay, so it's already finished. You can click on it to preview the result. And this is it. So I kind of like with the result, but I think the duration is too quick, so you can use the 8 seconds one if you want to. So basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.